Here's a video on how to remove the Beretta 694 ejector. You need a magnetic screwdriver head or anything bad magnetic to remove this pin, because on the other Beretta guns you've got to push this pin from the other side. So basically what you've got to do is push the ejector in halfway in, come closer, and then just get that out. And then what you have to do is slide it out. You can't take it out like the 686 or the Silver Pigeon. There you go. That's how you remove the ejector. And to put it back, again, same thing. Put the slider back in, push it in halfway, and put it back in. Done.